The HDRP Mask Map Splitter is a Unity editor tool that deconstructs a packed HDRP mask into its constituent, widely compatible textures: metallic, ambient occlusion, detail mask, and smoothness. This visual interface not only simplifies editing, but also facilitates the reuse of these PBR textures in projects that use other rendering pipelines. Let's dive into the core highlights of this tool. With a single click, intelligently unpack your textures, reclaim time for creativity, and automate the repetitive work. Natively built for Unity 6, future-proof your workflow, free of compatibility issues. Banish the error-prone chore of manual Photoshop extraction. Achieve pixel-perfect channel separation through precision automation. Retain total artistic control. Choose exactly how to output your smoothness data. Confidently process AAA quality 16K assets, fully supported on Windows and macOS. Maintain perfect organization, automatic, logical naming, strömliness asset management, and team collaboration. Navigate to the menu bar and click Tools, HDRP Mask Map Splitter to open the tool. Drag the mask map texture into the respective texture slot. Leave the smoothness destination set to metallic alpha. Confirm the output folder path. Select the max input resolution mode, which defaults to the highest input texture resolution, and click Split Mask Map to process the texture. Create a material using the built-in render pipeline standard shader. Then assign the generated textures. Drag the albedo, metallic with smoothness, normal, AO, and detail mask maps to their slots, followed by the detail albedo and detail normal textures if needed. Create a cube in the hierarchy. Reset its transform and assign the material to it. This allows you to check the visual result and confirm that the separated metallic with smoothness, AO, and detail mask textures are displaying as intended. When using albedo alpha as the smoothness destination, ensure the albedo texture is assigned. If the resolution mode is set to min input, note that outputs will match the lowest input texture resolution. Once configured, click Split Mask Map to process the texture. Set the smoothness destination to smoothness map. Set the resolution mode to custom. Manually specify the output resolution, range 32 to 16,384. Click the Split Mask Map button to begin processing. Splitting a 16K mask map will require significant additional processing time. The Output Settings section features a Choose Folder button to set a custom save path. If no path is set, the separated PBR textures will automatically be saved to a default location based on the input textures. If you toggle on Overwrite Existing Files, any files in the output folder with matching names will be replaced during export. Thanks for watching.